sa Southern Leyte. Yung national government, headed by the OCDs, the FIVOCs, we're going sa ground ngayon. So hopefully we could assess refined assessment sa sitwasyon sa ground, and we will be endorsing recommendation kung anong pwedeng gawin natin. And we have a talk with the FIVOCs also na yung mga worries nila about sunod-sunod na earthquakes ay hindi related, hindi correlated. So ano lang to, normal na occurrence. So yun, but we have to be aware. Yung awareness level naman, we will have information dissemination at the same time. Preparedness ng tao kailangan talaga all the time, no? Parang sabi ng FIVOCs ngayon na wake up call din natin. But we have observed yung sa schools, no, that they're really doing well sa mga drills nila. Sa actual situation kahapon, maganda ang pinapakita. So magandang example yun na implement talaga natin yung mga drills natin. And of course, yung community na lang medyo kailangan pang i-improve yung nasa bahay-bahay, sa kabaranggayan natin. Yes, sa mga constituents natin, we are doing everything sa national government, and we are coordinating with the LGUs also kung anong pwede natin gawin, no? Especially yung emergency na assistance na sa kanila, yung nawala ng bahay, yung livelihood, yung mga na-injured, yung pwede natin gawin na emergency assistance.
Anong mga agarang tulong po may bibigay po ng probinsya?
Coming from the district kasi congressman ako, so I already have talked with DSWD Regional Director Grace Ubong. I already contacted Secretary Gatchalian also. So we will be endorsing after our thorough assessment ngayon sa ground. We will be endorsing kung anong pwedeng gawin natin.